Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. Who invented the telephone? Answer: Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell, a Scottish-born inventor, patented the first practical telephone in 1876, enabling voice communication over long distances using electrical signals. Who discovered gravity when an apple fell from a tree? Answer: Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton, an English mathematician and physicist, formulated the law of universal gravitation after observing an apple falling from a tree, which led to his theory of gravity. Who invented the light bulb? Answer: Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison, an American inventor, is credited with inventing the practical incandescent light bulb in 1879, revolutionizing indoor lighting and everyday life. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer: Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci, an Italian Renaissance artist, painted the Mona Lisa between 1503 and 1506, depicting a woman with an enigmatic smile, now housed in the Louvre Museum, Paris. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Answer: William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, an English playwright and poet, wrote Romeo and Juliet around 1597, a tragic love story set in Verona, Italy, exploring themes of love, fate, and family conflict. Who discovered penicillin? Answer: Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming, a Scottish bacteriologist, discovered penicillin in 1928, marking the first antibiotic to treat bacterial infections and revolutionizing medicine. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Answer: Michelangelo. Michelangelo, an Italian Renaissance artist, painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in Vatican City between 1508 and 1512, featuring iconic frescoes and biblical scenes. Who invented the printing press? Answer: Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg, a German inventor, introduced the movable type printing press around 1440, revolutionizing the production of books and facilitating the spread of knowledge during the Renaissance. Covered America in 1492. Answer: Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus, an Italian explorer sailing for Spain, is credited with discovering the Americas in 1492 during his transatlantic voyage, which initiated European colonization and exploration. Who wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? Answer: Mark Twain, Samuel Clemens. Mark Twain, an American author and humorist, wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer in 1876, depicting the mischievous adventures of a young boy in a small town on the Mississippi River. Who founded Microsoft? Answer: Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Bill Gates and Paul Allen co-founded Microsoft in 1975, pioneering the development of personal computer software and transforming the technology industry. Who was the first president of the United States? Answer: George Washington. George Washington, a founding father of the United States, served as the first president from 1789 to 1797, leading the nation during its early years after independence. Who built the Taj Mahal? Answer: Emperor Shah Jahan. Emperor Shah Jahan, a Mughal ruler of India, commissioned the construction of the Taj Mahal in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, completed in 1653 as a symbol of eternal love and architectural beauty. Who painted Starry Night? Answer: Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh, a Dutch post-impressionist painter, painted Starry Night in 1889, a masterpiece depicting a swirling night sky over a tranquil village, showcasing his unique style and emotional depth. Who was the author of Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? Answer: Lewis Carroll, Charles Lutwidge Dodson. Lewis Carroll, an English author and mathematician, wrote Alice's Adventures in Wonderland in 1865, a whimsical tale of a girl's journey through a fantastical world filled with peculiar characters and adventures. Who invented the steam engine? Answer: James Watt. James Watt, a Scottish engineer and inventor, significantly improved the steam engine design in the late 18th century, leading to its widespread use in industry and transportation during the Industrial Revolution. Who composed the Symphony No. 5? Answer: Ludwig van Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven, a German composer and pianist, composed Symphony No. 5 in C minor, Op. 67, between 1804 and 1808, renowned for its dramatic motifs and iconic four-note opening theme. Who discovered the theory of relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, a German-born physicist, formulated the theory of relativity, including the special theory, 1905, and the general theory, 1915, revolutionizing understanding of space, time, and gravity. Who founded Facebook? Answer: Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg co-founded Facebook in 2004 while studying at Harvard University, creating a social networking platform that connects billions of people worldwide and revolutionizes online communication. Who painted The Last Supper? Answer: Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci, an Italian Renaissance polymath, painted The Last Supper between 1495 and 1498, depicting Jesus Christ's final meal with his apostles before his crucifixion, located in Milan, Italy. Who invented the World Wide Web? Answer: Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, invented the World Wide Web in 1989 while working at CERN, developing protocols and standards for information sharing and communication over the Internet. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Answer: Jane Austen. Jane Austen, an English novelist, wrote Pride and Prejudice in 1813, a classic romantic novel exploring themes of love, marriage, and social status in early 19th century England. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Answer: Amelia Earhart. Amelia Earhart, an American aviation pioneer and author, became the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean in 1932, paving the way for women in aviation and inspiring generations. Who discovered the New World in 1492? Answer: Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus, an Italian explorer sailing for Spain, discovered the New World in 1492 during his historic voyage across the Atlantic Ocean, initiating European exploration and colonization. Who painted The Girl with a Pearl Earring? Answer: Johannes Vermeer. Johannes Vermeer, a Dutch Baroque painter, painted The Girl with a Pearl Earring around 1665, a captivating portrait showcasing his mastery of light, color, and composition. Who wrote The Diary of a Young Girl, also known as Anne Frank's Diary? Answer: Anne Frank. Anne Frank, a Jewish teenager, wrote The Diary of a Young Girl during World War II while in hiding from the Nazis in Amsterdam, providing a poignant account of her experiences and thought. Who discovered the theory of evolution by natural selection? Answer: Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin, an English naturalist, proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection in his book On the Origin of Species, 1859, explaining the diversity of species through gradual adaptation and natural variation over time. Who painted Guernica, a powerful anti-war mural? Answer: Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso, a Spanish painter and sculptor, painted Guernica in 1937, depicting the tragic bombing of the Basque town during the Spanish Civil War, highlighting the horrors of war and its impact on civilians. Who discovered the laws of motion? Answer: Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton, an English physicist and mathematician, formulated the 3 laws of motion in his work Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, 1687, laying the foundation for classical mechanics. Who invented the computer mouse? Answer: Douglas Engelbart. Douglas Engelbart, an American engineer, invented the computer mouse in 1964 as a pointing device for interacting with graphical user interfaces, significantly enhancing computer usability and interaction. Who painted the Creation of Adam on the Sistine Chapel ceiling? Answer: Michelangelo. Michelangelo, an Italian Renaissance artist, painted the Creation of Adam on the Sistine Chapel ceiling in Vatican City between 1508 and 1512, depicting the biblical creation of Adam by God, a masterpiece of art and symbolism. Who founded Apple Incorporated? Answer: Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne co-founded Apple Incorporated in 1976, revolutionizing personal computing with innovative products like the Apple I and Macintosh, and later introducing iconic devices like the iPhone and iPad. Who composed The Four Seasons, a series of violin concertos? Answer: Antonio Vivaldi. Antonio Vivaldi, an Italian Baroque composer, composed The Four Seasons in 1723, a set of violin concertos depicting the seasons of spring, summer, autumn, and winter through vivid musical imagery and virtuosity. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, became the first person to walk on the moon on 20th July 1969 during NASA's Apollo 11 mission, uttering the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Who discovered X-rays? Answer: Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, a German physicist, discovered X-rays in 1895 while experimenting with cathode rays, leading to their application in medical diagnostics and scientific research. Who wrote War and Peace, a novel about Russian society during the Napoleonic Wars? Answer: Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy, a Russian novelist and philosopher, wrote War and Peace between 1865 and 1869, an epic historical novel exploring themes of war, politics, and personal relationships against the backdrop of early 19th century Russia. Who invented the periodic table of elements? Answer: Dmitry Mendeleev. Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, devised the periodic table of elements in 1869, organizing chemical elements based on atomic mass and predicting the properties of undiscovered elements, laying the foundation for modern chemistry. Who was the founder of Buddhism? Answer: Siddhartha Gautama, Buddha. Siddhartha Gautama, later known as Buddha, was a spiritual leader and teacher who founded Buddhism in ancient India around the 6th century BCE, advocating the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path to Enlightenment. Who painted The Persistence of Memory, featuring melting clocks? Answer: Salvador Dali. Salvador Dali, a Spanish surrealist painter, created The Persistence of Memory in 1931, a surreal artwork depicting melting clocks in a dreamlike landscape, reflecting his exploration of time, consciousness, and reality. Who discovered radioactivity? Answer: Marie Curie. Marie Curie, a Polish French physicist and chemist, discovered radioactivity in 1898 while conducting research on uranium minerals, pioneering the field of nuclear physics and earning Nobel Prizes in Physics, 1903, and Chemistry, 1911. Who invented the theory of special relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, a German-born physicist, formulated the theory of special relativity in 1905, introducing concepts like the constant speed of light and the equivalence of mass and energy is equal to mc superscript 2, revolutionizing modern physics. Who discovered the laws of heredity and is considered the father of genetics? Answer: Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel, an Austrian scientist and Augustinian friar, discovered the basic principles of heredity through his experiments with pea plants in the mid-19th century, establishing the foundation of modern genetics. Who was the leader of the Indian independence movement known as Mahatma? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, an Indian lawyer and activist, led India's non-violent independence movement against British colonial rule, advocating civil disobedience, truth, and harmony between communities, earning the honorific title Mahatma, Great Soul. Who was the Roman emperor known for building a massive wall in northern Britain? Answer: Emperor Hadrian. Emperor Hadrian, a Roman emperor from 117 to 138 CE, ordered the construction of Hadrian's Wall in northern Britain as a defensive fortification against incursions by Pictish tribes, spanning approximately 73 miles. Who discovered the law of conservation of mass? Answer: Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier, a French chemist, formulated the law of conservation of mass in the late 18th century, stating that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction, laying the foundation for modern chemistry. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Answer: Marie Curie. Marie Curie, a pioneering physicist and chemist, became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in 1903 in physics, and later in 1911 in chemistry, for her groundbreaking research on radioactivity and discovery of new elements. Who wrote Les Miserables, a novel set in early 19th century France? Answer: Victor Hugo. Victor Hugo, a French novelist and poet, wrote Les Miserables in 1862, a monumental novel depicting themes of justice, redemption, and social inequality against the backdrop of revolutionary France. Who invented the Wright Flyer, the first successful powered airplane? Answer: Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright. Explanation: Wilbur and Orville Wright, American aviation pioneers, invented and built the Wright Flyer, which made the first successful powered flight on 17 December 1903, near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, marking a monumental achievement in aviation history. Who was the legendary British king who pulled out the sword Excalibur from the stone? Answer: King Arthur. King Arthur is a legendary British figure in medieval literature and folklore, known for his leadership, Knights of the Round Table, and the sword Excalibur, symbolizing chivalry and the quest for the Holy Grail. Who painted American Gothic, featuring a farmer and his daughter? Answer: Grant Wood. Grant Wood, an American painter, created American Gothic in 1930, a famous painting depicting a stern-faced farmer and his daughter standing in front of a farmhouse, symbolizing rural American life and values. Please subscribe for more update. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching my video.